Good morning, boys and girls. If you follow me, then 99% chance that you follow Mr. Brandon J. And Brandon calls me the everything else guy because there's some things that he can't do or doesn't know how to do, and I'm the dude who can. Everything, I can do a little of everything. That's why I'm called the everything else guy. Well, today, Brandon's getting ready for a trip to California to go do some cool stuff, which you'll see on his channel. But unfortunately, his boat trailer has a flat, and he's about to go to the Keys as soon as he gets back. So what he asked me to do, said, hey, can you go and put the spare on my trailer and get the tire patched, yada yada. So I'm gonna go ahead and knock that out. But while I'm at it, I'm just gonna go ahead and put him together a little roadside package to where if he blows a tire on the trailer, that he can just jump out and have everything ready to rock and roll to be able to change that tire. So I'm gonna take you guys with me. We're gonna go to Harbor Freight and go pick up the tools, and then we are going to go to where Brandon's boat and trailer is located, go ahead and knock that out for him and have that little package put together for him. So I'll see you guys in just a second at Harbor Freight. Oh, it's fogged up again. Jeez, this humidity in Florida is ridiculous, boys. All right, guys, we're at the Harbor Freight. One of my favorite places to be. Sorry about the fog, it's real humid outside. Okay, so unfortunately they don't have a little bottle jack, so we're gonna do this little 1.5 ton rapid pump, little lightweight aluminum racing jack. Super cheap, they're like 85 bucks, so we'll go ahead and get that for them. Okay, so I found these little guys here. So when you're pulled over on the side of the road changing a tire in the middle of the night, the last thing you want to do is get hit. So this little guy lights up red, white, and flashes red, and you can stand these up in the road and the drivers coming down the road will be able to see you. So we got them 4 of those. We got this little light here, which is actually like, if I can click it with my freaking finger, fairly bright, but it's got a little magnet and it swivels, so he can have, like, mount that on the trailer and be able to see what he's doing. So this is like a proper side of the road. If it hit the shan, we can get this tire changed and not get hit by another car kit. So we're gonna check out and we're gonna head over there and we're gonna go patch that tire. We are here at an undisclosed location where the Jiggin boat is located. This is the tire that needs to be plugged. It's a little tiny, he said, I think it's right here. Yeah, it's literally a little tiny piece of metal right in the center of the tread. There's actually a little tire place, so I may just go have it patched from the inside because I can't take the tire off the rim myself. You know, the patches are more reliable than the plugs, but the plugs will get you in a pinch. I don't want to put a plug in it and send him to Key West and him have to ride, and then, you know, the possibility of a blowout. He does have a good spare right here, but he didn't have the key to the lock with him. Like, I don't have the key, he wasn't able to drop it off, so I cannot change his spare real quick and put it there. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna pop this wheel, we're gonna jack up the trailer, take this wheel off, and then we are going to run this over to this little tire place, get it patched, and then come put it back on.
Hey, if you're watching this, whoever put these lug nuts on here was not playing games.
Snatch it off. There it goes. Toss that Johnny in the back of the truck. And drop it. So upon further inspection, we do have a screw in the tire as well as that other little piece, so no wonder this thing was leaking. Got her patched up nice. Now I gotta pop this Johnny back on here. Good to go, good as new. Let's rock and roll. Birdie is learning how to patch and do a tire and crazy things. Well, guys, I appreciate y'all coming and hanging out for my How to Be a Good Friend 101. Put the man a whole kit together, got his tire plugged, everything. He's headed off to somewhere far away to go film some badass video, so I figured I'd just go ahead and knock this out for him. Be a good guy. Just remember, do for others the way you want, what is it, do to others the way you want done unto you. Like, look after your friends, look after your family, make sure they're taken care of, check on people. So now we just got to put the big old nuts back on, you know. I ain't used to handling nuts this big. They're gross. The sand or the salt water gets in the threads and makes that shit hard. It makes them hard to do. So
You sit you guys right down here. Just remember, kids, when you're putting on a tire, to go in a star pattern. Putting a wheel on a stud, you have to tighten in a star pattern to get a proper clamping force applied to that wheel. Did you know that? Yeah. Good. I'm glad you knew that, Birdie. I'm glad. And wham, ma'am, thank you, ma'am. She is done. We got us a good, proper tire patch on there now. I'm just gonna take this stuff that I picked up for Brandon. I'm gonna load it up inside the cabin of the boat and leave it here. So whenever he gets his boat on the road, he can organize it how it may be. But thank you boys coming on my trip to show the world that I'm a good friend. I'm a great guy. I'm a swell guy. I like to try to be. But yeah, she's put back together. I will see you boys and girls on the next kind of adventure vlog, whatever the heck I'm doing. I'll see you guys on the next thing. Bye.